Hey there. I was talking to somebody the other day at one of our events, and we were talking about how you draw when you're a kid versus how you draw when you're an adult. And when you draw as a kid, if you saw this, you would start probably kind of heavy and try to do the outline and, kind of get one of these numbers, and then, kind of get the ridges and that kind of stuff. We're really, when you're sketching, you just want to do it lightly, and we're talking about shapes. So this is kind of a weird looking triangle. Okay, and I know that this right here, it kind of swoops back, and then it's kind of doing a little bit of twirly right there. It comes down, and then there's another section that comes out, and then it gets hidden by this. So that would be this section here. And then once you get that all, so this actually comes up like this. Once you get that in, so now we're making the little spikes. You're going to want to make sure that you have your, so this would be a 1-to-1 because it's almost the same size. You want to make sure that you get your proportions right. So once you feel like you've got the proportions right, you can go back and you can either darken it in with your pencil. A lot of times what I'll do is go through with ink. And even then I'm still varying the line. So this is a micron, or I'm sorry, Copic, and it's a 0.1. It's pretty thin, but places that I know that are going to be in shadow, a lot of times I will make those lines a little darker. So you can see this comes up under here, and this comes out like that. I have a little spike that comes out this way, another spike that actually comes kind of up and over like that. But it's just, what I want people to understand is that sketching is the act of doing it kind of fast and getting kind of the idea. You don't have to produce a finished product with everything. So let's say that this, I did it 1-to-1. I made a mistake, since we're nature journaling, so there's like little bumpies in here, and what I could do is, if I didn't like it, or I made these little spikes too close or too far apart, I could actually just put, closer, and I could, with these bumps, I could actually take it and show that they're actually kind of roundish, the texture of shell. So, no time is wasted by producing sketches, even fast ones. This is the way to learn. So I hope that was helpful, and my dogs are getting a little unruly, so I'm going to stop it now. Thanks.